All right, check it out. So Tony Yayo just broke the internet with his interview. Now, you know Tony Yayo is one of 50 Cent's homeboys, right? He was in the group G Unit. Now, he was on this podcast with this guy named Math Hoffa. It's called My Expert Opinion. It's pretty good. Tony dropped some jewels, but during the interview, this is all I could focus on.
We on yachts, we eating caviar pancakes now.
Hold on, that's
we
the
eating
thing?
caviar pancakes. Yeah, we eating caviar pancakes. You know what I mean? We in Israel, we in Germany.
Like an album.
Yeah, it was.
You know, we eating caviar pancakes. We on some caviar pancakes.
I told y'all, that's the name right there, caviar pancakes.
Yeah, we on some
caviar pancakes.
Now, real quick, caviar pancakes are something called blinis. They're served with smoked salmon, sometimes some sour cream. It's a bunch of different ways you could dress it up, but I never heard of it until recently, so I decided to make my own version. Now, we're going to take some buttermilk, we're going to take a little bit of melted butter, and then we're going to crack 1 egg. Give that a good mix, right? Once it's all incorporated, add your dry ingredients, and then you're going to give that a mix. It may take some time, but you want it nice and smooth like pancake batter. Then in a pan, I added a little butter and some water, some buttermilk and some seasonings, because I'm going to make buttermilk poached salmon. Let that go. Then in the pan, made some pancakes. They didn't come out the right shape, but I made some crepes. It's hard to mess up a crepe, right? Now for my sour cream, it's a little bland, so I added some Grey Poupon and then a little bit of honey, because I like the complexity of flavors, right? Give it a good mix, and then assemble sour cream, smoked salmon, and then a little bit of the caviar. Now when the lobster tail was done, I seasoned it up, made it look all pretty, plated it up all nice, and then on top, I drizzled a little bit of butter. Look at that pour. Oh man. And then after the butter, I sprinkle some green stuff, right? It doesn't matter what it is. You got to have it aesthetically pleasing, so some green stuff. So for me, I chose tarragon. And let me tell you, it was pretty darn good. I advise you to try it.